When making tahdig, first things first, make sure you use basmati rice and make sure you clean your rice until the water runs clear. After you wash your rice, you're going to cover it in water and let it soak for about an hour. So while the rice is soaking, we're gonna make our saffron water. So we're gonna use about half a teaspoon of some saffron. Add in a little more. And then half a cup of water. And we're just gonna let that sit. Okay, so you're gonna take your rice that has been soaking and strain it, and then you're gonna carefully add it to a pot of boiling water. So then you're gonna let this cook for about 7 minutes. So you're gonna clean out the pot that you parboiled your rice in, and then you're gonna add in about half a cup of vegetable oil. We're gonna add in our saffron mix from earlier. And then this next part's optional, but if you have it, you can also add in some turmeric. And just mix it all up. So next you're gonna add your rice back in. And then make sure you just press everything down. And then you're gonna poke in a couple of holes so all the steam can escape. And then you're going to cover the pot with a towel and then the lid. We're going to put this on high heat. And we're going to leave it on high heat until the water starts to steam. And then we're going to put the heat down to low and cook for 45 minutes. Okay, so it's been cooking for about 45 minutes, and this next part's tricky. We have to flip this over so you can see the crispy bottom. So I really don't know how this is going to work, but well, we're gonna try. That's not big enough. All right, we'll do it this way. Okay. Aw, that didn't work. Oh, come on, really? So all the crispy stuff is on the bottom. It came out pretty easily, but they're supposed to all come out together. So I guess I will just try again.